Welcome to our channel Bright Mass. Let us see the combined solid problems in mensuration. An engineering student was asked to make a model shaped like a cylinder with two cones attached at its two ends. The diameter of the model is 3 cm and its length is 12 cm. If each cone has a height of 2 cm, find the volume of the model. This is the diagram for the given problem. Here this blue color is the cylinder and this red color is the cone. Here it is given that the model is a cylinder with two cones at its two ends. So here we have two cones at the two ends of this cylinder. Given the diameter of the model is 3 cm. Therefore, the radius is 3 by 2 cm. And given the total height is 12 cm. So, the total length means total height, that is 12 cm. And the height of the cone is 2 cm. So, this height is 2 cm and also this height is 2 cm. Now the height of this cylinder, that is this blue color height, is total height minus 2 minus 2. So we have to subtract 2 twice because we have two cones. So 12 minus 2 minus 2, that is 12 minus 4, which is equal to 8. So 8 is the height of the cylinder. Now let us write the given informations. For this cone, the diameter is 3 cm and therefore the radius is 3 by 2 cm. And the height of the cone, we take it as h1, that is equal to 2 cm. Next, let us write the informations about cylinder. For cylinder, we have the same radius, that is 3 by 2 cm, because this cylinder and cones are attached. So we have the same radius, and the height of the cylinder, we take it as h2. So total height 12 minus cone height. We have two cones, so 2 plus 2, 4. Therefore 12 minus 4, that is equal to 8 cm. Here the question is, we have to find the volume of the model. So the volume of the model is equal to 2 times volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Here in this model, we have cone 2 times and also we have a cylinder. So the total volume is 2 times volume of cone plus volume of cylinder. Now write the formula. 2 into volume of cone is 1 by 3 pi r squared h1 plus volume of cylinder is pi r squared h2. Here cone height we take it as h1 and cylinder height we take it as h2. Now pi r squared is common. So taking pi r squared common outside, we get the remaining terms 2 by 3 h1 plus h2. Now substituting the values, pi value is 22 by 7 into r square. R value 3 by 2. R square means we have to write 2 times 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into this bracket. Here h1 value 2. So 2 into 2, 4 by 3 plus h2 value is 8. Now this is equal to 22 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into adding this bracket. 3 8s are 24 plus 4, that is 28 by 3. Now we can cancel 7 and 28 4 times. Next we can cancel this 2 into 2 4. So this 4 and 4 we can cancel. Next we can cancel 3. So multiplying this we get the answer 66 centimeter cube. See the given question, the unit is centimeter. Finally we write the volume, so we have to write centimeter cube. Next problem, a capsule is in the shape of a cylinder with two hemispheres stuck to each of its ends. If the length of the entire capsule is 12 mm and the diameter of the capsule is 3 mm, how much medicine it can hold? This is the diagram for the given problem. Here this blue color is the cylinder and this red color is the hemisphere. It is given that the capsule is a cylinder with two hemispheres at the two ends. So here we have two hemispheres at the two ends of the cylinder. And here given total height is 12 mm. So this total height is 12 mm and the diameter is 3 mm. So this diameter is 3 mm. Therefore the radius is 3 by 2 mm. And here in hemisphere this is also same radius. So this is also 3 by 2. And the another side in this hemisphere also this radius is 3 by 2. Now the height of the cylinder is total height minus 2 times hemisphere height, because we have 2 times hemisphere. So this 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 3. Subtracting from 12, 12 minus 3 is 9. That is the height of the cylinder. Now let us write the given informations. For this hemisphere, the diameter is 3 mm. That means the radius is 3 by 2 mm. Next, let us write the informations about cylinder. For cylinder, we have the same radius because this cylinder and hemispheres are attached together. So the radius is same 3 by 2 mm. And the height of this cylinder is 12 minus heights of the hemispheres, that is 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 is 3. So 12 minus 3, that is equal to 9 mm. Now the question is, we have to find how much medicine it can hold. That means we have to find the volume of this entire shape. So the volume of the capsule is equal to 2 times volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. So in this shape we have hemisphere 2 times and also we have the cylinder. So the total volume is 2 times volume of hemisphere plus volume of cylinder. Now write the formulas. 2 into the volume of hemisphere is 2 by 3 pi r cube plus the volume of cylinder is pi r squared h. Now take pi r squared common outside. So we get pi r squared into 2 into 2 4 by 3 r plus h. Now substituting the values, this is equal to pi value 22 by 7 into r squared. R value is 3 by 2. So we write 3 by 2 into 3 by 2 into this bracket 4 by 3 into r value 3 by 2 plus h value 9. Here we can cancel this 2 and 22 11 times. and then we can cancel this 3 and 3, and then we can cancel this 2 and 4 2 times. Now let us take and write the numbers. That is 11 by 7 into 3 by 2 into 3 into this bracket. We have to add the numbers. That is 2 plus 9, which is equal to 11. So now multiply 11 into 3 into 3 into 11. So here 11 into 11, 121 into 3 into 3, 9. So multiply 121 into 9 and then divide by 14. We get the final answer 77.78 mm cube. In the question, the given unit is mm. Finally, we write the volume. Volume is a cubic unit, so we write mm cube. Thanks for watching.